The Chinese government confirmed that Cardano will replace Yuan. So what's the truth behind this? Make sure to stay tuned to know the truth behind it and more updates about Cardano. Several Chinese cryptocurrency platforms are extremely unhappy with the fact that Charles Hoskinson doesn't want to implement Cardano on their platforms. Furthermore, Charles Hoskinson, CEO of the IOHK company behind Cardano, denied that his project was involved with the promotional activities of a group of individuals using ads and the IDA logo to promote their financial services. In a photo posted by the marketing department at the Hashkey Hub, Mo Li comes from a conference hosted by the Chinese edition of 8BTC. Additionally, a banner promoting Cardano is displayed with a group of people. She claims the advertisement is intended for wealthy, elderly Chinese farmers, but they are being offered to invest in a pyramid scheme. Cardano, she added, placed sixth in an evaluation of cryptocurrency market capitalization in the context of this advertisement. According to Hoskinson, his business and he personally had nothing to do with what was going on, and suggested the scammers were to blame. He also requested Mo Li to provide additional information, for which she sent the video. In addition, Li was asked not to leap to conclusions about whether his project was involved in what happened in the photo and video, because scammers use any other cryptocurrency from the top 10 for their purposes. As a result, Hoskinson said he would contact the Hashkey Club to clarify whether the company considers Li's statements to be their position. Moreover, IOHK and Financial Wave, along with other investors, formed the C Fund for $20 million recently. As an alternative to Ethereum for transactions and savings, Cardano has become the most popular cryptocurrency around the world. The results are based on a tweet by Vitalik Buterin on Friday where he asked which cryptocurrency crypto users would like to wake up within 2035. And 80% of all transactions plus all savings worldwide are conducted in one currency. Ethereum's co-founder proposed 4 currencies as part of the first survey. They are Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana, and the US dollar. A moment of truth resulted with Cardano being the most preferred cryptocurrency for Bitcoin and Solana users, receiving 42% of votes to Bitcoin's 38% and Solana's 13.1%. And only 6.5% of his followers believe that the American dollar will still exist in 2035. Also, Tron became the most coveted cryptocurrency in the second poll, garnering 51% of the vote, followed by Airbnb with 28%. Then Neo was close behind with 21.8% of the vote, while Yuan received 4.1%. And the tweet sparked many reactions, and many people forked out their projects. Meanwhile, the smart contract processing mechanisms of Cardano are making the cryptocurrency a major player in the blockchain field. As a result of its capacity to record and store data, the network is also in a significant competitive advantage and is being adopted by most industries. Additionally, Cardano's eco-friendly profile has attracted a lot of attention, as Bitcoin is already facing environmental issues, whereas other cryptocurrencies such as Solana have not yet undertaken any environmental projects. Meanwhile, Tron's smart contracts and DeFi capabilities have been hailed, allowing users to publish and store specific data and other content freely and with little restrictions. Because of Tron's scalability and stable reliability, high-performance computing was able to process transactions at high speeds compared to its competitors. The tokens of USDC are also capable of participating in transactions and granting various rights, such as voting factors, which indicate additional issues on the network, such as the high USDC supply. Meanwhile, Charles Hoskinson described his vision for the currency in 2022 during a recent interview with crypto capital venture founder Dan Gambardello. Meanwhile, Sebastian Nagel, formerly known as IOHK, head of software development at IOG, a blockchain technology firm, has published an article on Cardano research and development published on September 17, 2021. This article stated that the exciting development that comes as a result of the Alonzo update is the Hydra protocol, a new layer of security that would further increase the scalability of the Cardano protocol, then using Layer 1 blockchain to create a new protocol. Further, Nagel believes that there are problems with the blockchain network that Hydra hopes to resolve. Among other things, the consensus algorithm ensures a safe and reliable environment for the reconciliation of historical transactions. Furthermore, for precisely this purpose, Cardano uses Ouroboros, a proof-of-stake algorithm that is efficient and fast. Cardano, as well as any other blockchain without permissions, faces difficulties when attempting to achieve the bandwidth required to support real-world applications, including payments, identification, games, and mobile services. In addition to this, Cardano transactions are subject to a fee. Additionally, the community of betting pool operators who run the Cardano network should be adequately compensated for their role, so fees should be set so that they are sustainable. Moreover, it is also important that users pay a fee that is considered reasonable. Furthermore, the blockchain must be protected against attacks such as denial of service. As a result, event fees cannot be set at a rate that creates an unjustified risk. Thus, potential attackers must be faced with prohibitively high costs. Also, growing transaction history can lead to storage issues, especially when it grows so quickly. Interestingly, successful blockchains can become victims of their success. Meanwhile, Cardano will add over 9,000 wallets per day on average by 2022. And due to the growing popularity of the blockchain in 2022, there have been more wallets containing ADA, the native currency of the Cardano network. And there have been 13.08% gains in Cardano wallet numbers since the new year, from 2,666,372 on January 1st to 3,015,400 on February 7th, a total gain of 349,028 since the beginning of 2022. Due to this, a total of 9,184 wallets have been added to the network every day since the beginning of the year. Additionally, Cardano wallets now numbered more than 3 million. This is according to a Finbold report which stated that the ADA network passed the 3 million wallet mark on February 3rd, and there is no indication that this is going to slow down. More specifically, Cardano wallet owners increased by 1,200% between Christmas 2020 and December 24, 2021, from 190,000 to 2.5 million. Due to continuous progress, ADA was able to reach 3 million wallets and 9,184 wallets per day in 2022, at a time when it had become the sixth largest cryptocurrency in the world by market value. In addition to this, Cardano has gained additional investor interest due to the 11 ways it intends to scale in 2022, according to Finbold's study on the 11 ways it plans to scale. Moreover, Cardano's smart contract network, Plutus, hit the 1,000 contract milestone on January 27th, coinciding with an increase in wallets on the platform. Then between January 30th and February 1st, the number of smart contracts increased by 116, and it was the highest increase in history. As a result of the Alonzo upgrade in September of 2021, smart contract functionality has been added, increasing the scalability and speed of ADA. According to CoinMarketCap data, ADA is currently trading at $1.18, up 4.42% over the last 24 hours and 16.69% over the past 7 days as investors continue to buy Cardano. Additionally, Cardano's market capitalization is $39.6 billion, with $1.32 billion of volume traded in the past 24 hours, or a 21.48% increase. Even though the Chinese government has not made an official announcement regarding the replacement of Yuan with Cardano, here are some more updates about Cardano. Cardano is now in the Basho phase of its development cycle, just a short time after announcing its roadmap for 2022. During this phase, it asks users to refuse to consider scalability only in terms of 1 million transactions per second. According to the blog post, amongst all those available, TPS is probably the least meaningful metric to consider as a means of comparison. Moreover, transactions come in a variety of shapes and sizes, especially when comparing different platforms according to the report. Hence, using TPS as a metric within the same context, for example, to compare two versions of the Cardano node, is meaningful. Using it as a means of comparison between blockchains isn't. Accordingly, IOHK, the company behind Cardano, emphasized the need of focusing on throughput, finality, and concurrency as key criteria. Finality refers to the time it takes the system to complete a transaction, whereas throughput refers to the amount of data handled in a certain time. In addition, IOHK defined concurrency as the amount of work that may be done by several actors at the same time without them obstructing one another's progress. As a result, Cardano's scaling and network optimization phase is known as Basho. Hydra is one of the most important scaling protocols in this context. Hydra, as we all know, began after Alonzo and as a collection of Layer 2 solutions. It has gotten a lot of attention since then, and this could impact Cardano's price soon. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comment section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.